we have to find the vertex of the graph of the equation. Because we have here quadratic function, we know that the graph is the parabola. Parabola can be open up or open down. When coefficient before x squared is positive, a is greater than 0, then our parabola is open up, and when a is negative, parabola is open down. And we need to find the vertex. This is vertex for a greater than 0 and for a less than 0. This is our vertex. In this example, coefficient before x squared is negative. It means that our parabola is open down. One more time. How I know this? Because I know the general form of quadratic function. Y, I can write y is equal f of x. It doesn't matter if you use y or f of x. This is equal a x squared plus bx plus c. Coefficient before x squared is a. Coefficient before x is b. And c is constant. In our example, we don't have b. So let me rewrite this. It means that coefficient before x is 0. That's why we don't have here x. So I can write that we have negative x squared plus 0x, and we have negative 3. So now it's very easy to read the coefficients a, b, and constant. Coefficient before x squared is our a, so this is negative 1. When we don't have number, it's always invisible 1. b is equal 0, and c is equal negative 3. Why I need this? Because we need to find the vertex. Our parabola, because we have negative x squared, is open down. We need to find the coordinates of our vertex. So we need to find x and y. When we have general form of our quadratic function, the coordinates of a vertex are negative b over 2a, first coordinate, and the second is value of negative b over 2a. So we see that we need b and a. We found that a is negative 1, b is 0. So now this is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. So we have that x is equal negative b over 2a. So this is equal. We have to substitute b by 0. Negative sign I have to copy. So we have 0 over 2 times a is negative 1. So this is equal 0 divided by negative 2 is still 0. So we have x. Now we have to find the y. Y is equal f of negative b over 2a. We found that negative b over 2a is 0. So now we can substitute that we have f of 0. We need to find the value of our function for 0. This is our x. What it means? We have to substitute to our equation x by 0. So we have to copy negative sign and we have 0 to second power minus 3. So this is equal negative 3. So we have x coordinate and y coordinate. So we can write that the coordinates of the vertex are 0, negative 3. This is my solution.